My name is Katariya Nirav. Please give me a 5 minute. I speak on Sardar Valbbhai Patel. Sardar Valbbhai Patel. Keep a lion alive. Dare to speak the truth. Keep house at the home. Keep fighting against injustice. Full name of Sardar Valbbhai Patel was a Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel. He was born on 31 October 1875 in Nadiyad, Gujarat, India. His father name was Jawaharlal Patel, who was simple farmer. His mother name was Ladbai, who was simple lady. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, very hard-working individual from his childhood. He used to help his father in farming and also took time for his studies. He went to England and returning to India, he became an Indian barrister and statesman. He came contact with Gandhiji's 1917. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the leader of the Indian National Congress and one founding father of the Republic of India. He took active part in struggle of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. He used strength and determination to bring together the many Indian princely states to one united country. India as we know it today. He was often known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15 December 1915. At the age of 75, he will ever remembered for his great work. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, our real truth kings. He was our live hard.